Studio 23 and on the Filipino channel as well. We are into this third set of this exciting matchup between National University and Ateneo, wherein Ateneo looks to close in on their 7th win here in UAAP Season 75, and more importantly, stop the bleeding. Stop that 3-game losing skid. Well, NU, with another opportunity to win against one of the top-tier opponents here in the UAAP, will have to climb a huge mountain as they have gone down 0-2 in terms of the number of sets won in this match.
Hervasio getting it through. Tied at 16. Medyo maluwag yung block, lumusot sa gitna. And the floor defense not able to respond.
Perez tosses it up. Nepomuceno, oh, another error right there.
Alright, the set was a bit wide. Kaya si Nepomuceno nakapasok na. Then had to fade back to get that attack going. And ayun, hit the tape.
Now Ateneo is back on top. A joust at the top. Oh! And Coach Francis is off his seat. The official says it was an error by Perez. Take a look at it one more time.
Well, Perez did try to send it across bawal na, and that's already a violation, but also tumama rin sa net si Marge Tejada. But of course, the call of the referee sticks.
What a set by Jem Ferrer, leaning back. Si Hervasio just blasting it through.
Yan. Bakit ito kagad nandito? Di ba ito magbabantay dito tapos ito? Kaya bakit ito nandito? Ito dapat nandito yan. Titingnan mo muna yung lulusutan dito. O ba't nandito ka na kagad? Di open na open. Paano naman yun nandito? Kukuha na siya na naglag, kukuha pa siya dito. Over defense tayo, hindi tayo nagbabasa eh. National.
Alright, Coach Francis adjusting or realigning the floor defense of NU. Sabi nga niya, dapat magbasa yung floor defense nung butas nung block.
Perez, back set for Pablo. And a point goes to National University. The crowd doesn't like it.
Alright, of course, Coach Roger and Ateneo saying that it never touched Phil. It just hit the tape. Tough to say with that angle. Let's have another look at it. Pablo will approach. So hard to say. Of course, our first referee, Yul Benosa, had the best angle in the house, so
he was right on top of that.
Kita niya yun.
Kailet gets a point. To the delight of the Ateneo faithful. Playing her first game since spraining her right ankle in that last matchup of the first round against LaSalle. And Santiago gets denied.
That was a triple block in front of Dindin. Ateneo was waiting for it. Basang-basa, look at that. Valdez right there, her outside hand clipping the ball.
Nepomuceno. That one goes out.
They
it's
needed
a point
that. Yes,
for the
they badly
Bulldogs.
needed that point.
They need to stop the bleeding. And again, Ella De Jesus checks back in for Phil Kailet, hoping to help her squad close this third set out.
Serving NU, number 4, Carmina Aganon.
Mina Ganon Sent in by Coach Francis Vicente. For the first time here in this game, here in this third set, Eliza Valdez pounding it off that double block of Nepomuceno, and Santiago Urdas goes down. That's a point for Ateneo.
Legal block.
All right, some confusion with the call made, but 2 touches called. What was it? Wow. So, Dindin Santiago trying to clarify what the call was. And they're trying to clarify, the coaching staff of NU trying to clarify the call. Sabi naman nila, they were setting up their offense, so pwedeng iset nga naman yung bola even with one hand. So Dindin Santiago talking to our first referee, Yul Benyosa.
Let's take a look at it one more time, Doc.
Perez will approach. She was trying to set it because setters can do that. Sometimes aagawin nila talaga yung bola with a one-handed set. But the call there made already by our second referee.
That could be a tough break for National U. Ferrer. Drop ball. Oh!
Wow. Urdas and Santiago just looking at each other, thinking that it was the other who was going to pick up that attack.
Now, when they look at the stat sheet once again, they will really cringe at the number of unforced errors they have committed. Speaking of unforced errors, Ateneo leaving the door open for National University.
Napakamot na lang ng ulo si Coach Roger. Alisa, what were you trying to do? That was the last touch. Just send it over. Tignan natin how tough NU is.
This is a test of character right
definitely.
here. Something that NU is hoping to build moving forward. And Ateneo still leaving the door open for National University.
Banda doon